Okay, welcome to my channel. This video we're going to talk about Lisle and OMT, Orion Motor Tech. So let's get the camera turned around and get into it. This ought to be a good one. Alright, first up we have, as you can see, Lisle. There's the part number. Oil filter wrench. And I'll get these packages open and show you. See how thin that is? And we have another Lisle oil filter wrench. This is a different design. And like I said, I'll get the packages open and show you. You see in there? And this is can you see that? Ball joint separator. Tie rod end remover kit. OMT. Orion Motor Tech. Alright, let me get these packages open and we'll get into it a little better. Here's the first one. As you can see how thin that is. Now I have two oil filter wrenches, but they've been used so much they're about wore out. Well, plus I gave my son one of them, and to be honest with you, I couldn't remember which one I gave him, the big one or the little one. So instead of coming out here looking in my toolbox, I just bought a big one and a little one. Actually, I think that one's smaller than the small one. There's one a little smaller than this. I'm gonna get it too. Can you see how that's made inside? That's how it grips the filters. Right here, right across there. I don't know how good that'll hold up, but we'll see, right? And of course, you know, everybody knows they swivel. It's tight, but it swivels whichever way you need it, you know. Pretty good. Pretty oily. And of course this one does the same thing. It swivels too, just like it. Whoa, this one's tight. It may not swivel. It's supposed to. Yeah, it will. That one's got to do some breaking in. It's tight. Anyway. Next is this OMT deal. Let me see if I can show you. Hold that thought. Sorry about that. As you can see, it came with this missing latch that holds it shut. I don't know if I don't like that. I contacted them and they gave me a little bit of a discount on it, so I'm happy with it. They're happy with it, so that's awesome. Anyway, let's get into it. I actually thought this was missing, but it's not. It was in the box, not this box, but it was in the box. I didn't get the chrome ones. I could have got the, not chrome, but you know, chrome looking silver, whatever color. I didn't get them. I got this one, the black. Hopefully this won't rust. Probably will. That's probably why there's all that oil on it, right? Anyway, we'll find out. They're pretty beefy. How well they'll do and hold up, I have no idea. But we will definitely find out, won't we? Alright, that's all I got for this video. I just figured I'd show you this stuff that I got from Amazon. It's Lisle. All the stuff that I show on my channel, if I can find it, whether I got it from Amazon or not, if I can find it on Amazon, I will add it to my store so you can find it and purchase it if you want to. But I think all this stuff is already on there. And that's a little hint. When you see stuff on my Amazon store, before you see a video, just keep in mind, you'll see that video coming up real soon, eventually. Okay, that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.